Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is force, work and energy. Lesson 13 in Universal Science, Class 4. First of all, we are reading about some question in book. Let's start. First, all plants, animals and human beings need energy to grow. What is the source of this energy? Food. Second, do we need energy to apply force on an object? Yes. Third, name any three activities that you do in a day that need energy. Play, run and dance. 4. Do you take the help of any object or appliance to complete a task or work? Yes. A force can cause things to start moving. Why do astronauts float inside the spacecraft in space? Because there is no gravitational force. First, write W for the situation below where work is done and NW where work is not done. A. Throwing a dice W. B. Sitting on a chair in W. C. Running after a cricket ball W. D. Pushing against a wall in W. E. Lifting a bucket W. To state true or false. A. Crane is an example of a wheel and axle. False. B. Work is said to be done while holding a book in your hand. False. C. Plant use chemical energy to prepare their food. True. D. A knife is an example of an inclined plane. False. C. Screws are used to hold objects together. True. A. Tick the correct answer. First, which of the following activities uses force? All of these. Second, in which of the following situation in work done? Lifting a bag. Third, which of the following simple machines are used to cut object? Wedges. Wedge. 4. Which of the following taps of energy is stored in fuels? Chemical. 5. Which of the following force is responsible to make a moving object stop on its own? Frictional. 6. Which of the following energy is generated with the help of windmill? Wind. B. Unscramble the following to write the names of different machines. Also write the types of simple machines they belong to. Name of machine, type of machine. Knob door, simple. Nail, simple. Hammer, simple. Knife, simple. Fork, simple. C. State true or false. The sun is the main sources of energy to the earth. True. Second, friction force always act in the direction of a moving object. True. Cranes use mechanical force of lift things. True. Four. A wedge is made up of 3 inclined planes. False. 5. Friction increases the speed of a moving object. True. D. Match the followings. A. Coal. Fuel. Second, solar energy. Sun. Fishing reel. Wheel and axle. 4. Pole vault. Muscular energy. 5. Muscle. Elastic energy. After that, I will solve some question in notebook. E. Answer the following questions in brief. First, define the following. Work. Work is said to be done when a force moves a body through a distance. B. Energy. It is the ability or capacity of a body to do work. Force. A push or pull is called force. Second, give two uses of a wedges. Answer: two uses of a wedges are: first, stones or wood; second, forks and nails. Third, name the different form of energy. Answer: different form of energy are muscular energy, wind energy, water energy. Heat energy, electrical energy, sound energy, solar energy. 4. Name the different sources of energy. Answer: there are different sources of energy like sun, solar energy, wind, water and fuels. 5. What are the 6 basic types of simple machines? Answer: there are 6 basic types of simple machine are lever, wheel and axle, pulley, wedges, screw, inclined plane. 6. What is the atomic energy? Answer: the energy released by splitting the atoms is called atomic energy. F. Answer the following question in detail. First, differentiate between the following: gravitational force and frictional force. Gravitational force, frictional force. Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards each other. Frictional is the force that opposes motion as one object rubs against another. Second, gravity depends on two things: the mass of the object; second, the distance between the objects. Friction depends on two things: the surface of the material; second, the force applied. Due to Earth's large mass, all objects close to the Earth are attracted to it like a magnet. There are 4 types: static, sliding, rolling, fluid. 4. Gravity acts on object in a downwards direction towards the center of the Earth. The force of friction always acts in the opposite direction of the object's motion. What will happen if there is no friction or on Earth? Answer: everything would slide to the lowest point. If there was no friction on the Earth, it would be impossible to scale anything. We will be unable to ride without friction. Number: riding a bike, cycle or even a car or bus without friction. B. There is no gravity on Earth. Answer: if there is no gravity on Earth, there will be nothing which pulls the objects down towards the Earth's surface. Hence, every object on Earth will start floating in the air. C. There is no sun. Answer: if there is no sun, the Earth will not get illuminated. Without the sun, there would be no vegetations on earth, because every plant needs light to live and grow. The sun even enables them to generate oxygen by means of photosynthesis, which humans and animals need to breathe. What is a simple machines? Why do we use machines? Answer: simple machines, tools that make works easier for us. Machines are used to change the effort in the desired direction, speed up the motion of a body. 4. How is friction helpful? Answer: friction help us to stand and walk. Second, friction prevented us from slipping and falling. Friction help us to hold an object, mm, walking on the road, driving off a vehicle on a surface. 5 question. Describe a wheel and axle with the help of an example. Answer: the wheel and axle is a simple machine having a wheel and an axle. The linear motion of axle is obtained by rotating the wheel so as to reduce friction. Example: steering wheel, screwdrivers, water tap, etc. 6 question. Write a short notes on energy. Answer: energy is defined as the ability of a body to do work. So, to do any kind of work, we need energy. In fact, all living beings need energy to live. Most of the energy we need to live and work comes from the food we eat. However, we also we also need energy to light our houses, cook food, drive cars, power our televisions and computers, and run factories. In fact, we need energy to do everything. 7. Differentiate between an inclined plane and a wedges. Inclined plane. First, an inclined plane is a slanted surface or a slope. A wedges. A wedges is made of two inclined planes. Second, the one end of an inclined plane is higher than the other two. These planes join together to form a sharp edge. Third, it has no moving parts. It is used to move heavy object up and down. Third, this edge can split things apart. Wedges may be made of metal, stones, or wood to use it safely. 8. What does a screw look like? How can it be made? Answer: a screw is made by cutting spiral grooves in metal rod. The spiral grooves are called threads. On one end of the screw is made narrow and pointed, called the tip of the screw. Other end in the in made flat, called the head of the screw. 9. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Justify this statement with a suitable explanation. Answer. The law of conservation of energy says that energy is neither created nor destroyed. When people use energy, it doesn't disappear. Energy changes from one form of energy into another form of energy. A car engine burns gasoline. Converting the chemical energy is gasoline into mechanical energy. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. After that I will solve. Test yourself. Test yourself. Assignment 1. A. Choose the correct answer. First, which of the following plants does not grow in coastal regions? Coconut. Second, which of the following stores food in their leaves? Spinach. Third, the process of shedding old skin is called molting. 4. Which of the following is an amphibian? Salamander. Fill in the blanks using the word given in the box. People is an example, a deciduous tree. Second, the lower side of a leaf is rough and light in color. Third, the giant panda is an endangered animal. 4. Kangaroo have a pouch on their body to carry the young ones. C. State true or false. Water lychee is the fixed aquatic plant. False. 2. Boiling a green leaf is alcohol darkens it green color. False. Third, crocodiles undergo hibernation. True. 4. A tadpole does not resemble a frog. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. Assignment 1. First, explain the features of underwater plants. Answer. Some plants remain completely beneath the surface of water. They are also called underwater plants. They have adapted to breathe underwater. Hydrilla and tap grass are underwater plants. Second, how does a pitcher plant trap and kill insects? Answer. Its leaves and transformed into pitcher like baskets with a leaf that serves as a lid. The pitcher plant's blossoms are brightly closed and have a pleasant scent that attracts insects. The leaf falls and shuts the exit as soon as an insect enters any of these pitchers. Third, describe any 3 adaptations developed in animals to protect themselves from their enemies. Answer. They have hard shells to keep themselves protected from predators. They can pretend to be dead or let off an awful odor. They can sting or bite and use mimicry. When an animal imitates another animals, that is dangerous. 4 question. What are the unique body structures found in birds that help them to fly? Answer. Wings help birds to fly. The strongest muscles are in the wings. These powerful wings help birds stay in the air. The wings of birds are uniquely adapted to their way of life. 5 question. Differentiate between incubation and hatching. Incubation refer to the process by which certain oviparous eggs-laying animals hatch their eggs. Hatching of eggs refer to the production of baby chicks in early days. Eggs were hatched by placing them under broody hens. Second assignment 2. A. Choose the correct answer. Food contains special substances called that provide nourishment to our body, nutrients. Second, there are dash permanent teeth, each in the up and the lower jaw, 32 and 16. Third, which of the following is an example of natural fiber? Cotton. 4. If there are no footpaths, walk in the direction of the traffic. Fill in the blanks. Milk products such as cheese and curd contain calcium. Second, dengue is caused by a virus. Third, during rainy days to go out in the rain we wear raincoats. Four, wet bathroom floors are very slippery. State true or false. First, protein are energy giving nutrients. False. Second, extra fat is stored in the body for future use. True. 4. When in a hurry, you should run up and down the stairs. False. 5. In summers, we wear dark colored clothes. False. D. Answer the following question. Assignment 2. Answer the following question. Differentiate between canning and drying. Canning, the process of placing foods in jars or cans and hatching properly to a specified temperature. Drying. Drying involves removing the moisture from the food by exposing it to low heat or air, which slows down the growth of bacteria and other macroorganisms. Bacteria and other macroorganisms. Second, differentiate between molar and premolars. Molar, premolars. The teeth located next to premolars are molars. They are the largest teeth in the mouth. They are flat with sharp ridges on top. They help in crushing and grinding the food. Premolar. The teeth next to the canines are the premolars. They have ridges on top. These are flat and broad teeth. They help in crushing and chewing the food. Each jaw has 4 premolars. 3. What safety rules should you follow while playing with dogs? Answer. General rules for safe dog play. Do not play with stray dogs as they can bite you. Second, do not run away from a dog if it is walking walking towards you. Stay calm and call for an adult. Take an adult with you if you are taking your pet dog for a walk. He might pull you and make you fall. 5. Always wash your hands with soap and water after touching a dog. It may carry germs that can make you fall. It. For question, why do we wear different clothes in different season? Answer, in different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons our weather is different and we wear clothes according to the weather. Assignment 3. Choose the correct answer. A sun is a huge ball of burning gases. I think plant, satellite, stars, constellation. I think these are all wrong option. I think these are all wrong option. A sun is a huge ball burning gases. It is true. It is right answer, sun. Second, the large scale cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. Deforestation. Third, moving air is called wind. For cooling a liquid can change it into a swelled. 5. A bow uses muscular force of the bow string to shoot an arrow. We fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. First, Venus is the second planet from the sun. Second, dry and wet waste must be separated. Third, when the sun heats up the air gets lighter and rises up. 4. There are large spaces between the molecules of a gas. 5. A knife is a wedge while a hammer is a lever. State true or false. The Indian name of Uranus is Arun. False. Second, we should use plastic bags as they are environment friendly. False. Third, cholera is a waterborne disease. True. 4. A screw is a special form of an inclined plane. True. D. Answer the following question. Third. Answer the following question. First, explain how a volcano is formed. Answer, volcano mountains are formed as a result of volcanic activities on the surface of the earth. The magma inside the earth erupts out as lava through the cracks on the earth's surface. This cools down repeatedly to form volcanic mountains. 2. What are the causes of land pollution? Answer, while there are many causes of land pollution, the main contributors includes litter, waste, urbanization, constructions, mining, extraction and agriculture. 3. Explain what causes the blowing of sea breeze during the day. Answer. Sea breeze occur during hot summer days because of the unequal heating rates of land and water during the day. The land surface heats up faster than the water surface. Therefore, the air above the land is warmer than the air above the ocean. 4. What is the difference between condensation and sublimation? Answer. Condensation. Condensation occurs when a gas vapor loses energy or gains pressure to move to a liquid state. Sublimation happens when a gas is formed from a solid skipping the liquid state. 5. Why do we need force of friction? Answer. Force of friction is a contact force. Friction is the force that resists motion when the surface of one object comes in contact with the surface of another. Example. Force of friction between two stones rubbed with each other. Okay student, I have done all question lesson 13 and assignment 1, 2 and 3. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz. Bye.